Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending where you are watching from. This is Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. We are based on home automation, electrical installation, CCTV camera installation, solar installation, and any home automation that you can think about. Just bring the idea to us at Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services, and we will make that your imagination to become a reality, to become a device that you can make use of. Uh, this evening, I have a project that I want to introduce to my viewers out there, my friends, and my people out there. I have a device that I want to introduce us. It was designed by Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. It is our product. We call it time-based load control system, or you can call it time-based home automation system, depending on how you or what you want to call it. But what we call it is time-based load control system. As the name implies, it's a device that helps you to take care of the way you manage, or it helps you to manage the power that enters your building, more especially for people that are using prepaid meter. If you're using prepaid meter, you know in Nigeria now, as from July 1st, uh, electricity tariff will increase by I think for something percent. You will discover that you'll be spending more on recharging your energy meter. Then when after recharging that energy meter, it's a good idea for you to start making preparation on how to manage any subscription you will do for a month, or maybe depending the amount you recharge, so it will last for you. Sometimes when you leave in the house, you discover that there are some loads you may forgot to off, or sometimes there are some lighting points, maybe fridge or television, whatever thing, maybe some devices that you may not remember to turn off when leaving the house. And when the light is restored, all those things will be on, and it will be consuming your energy even when you are not making use of them. And again, maybe for people that are not using prepaid meter, you have children at home that maybe there are some kind of children that they like testing, touching things, or on and offing things. When you are not at home, if you are not there to control them, they may end up getting injured by electricity. So with this device, we have solved that problem. How do we then solve that problem? As the name implies, time-based. We designed this device in a way that you can set it by yourself. It has a user interface that you can set by yourself. Maybe the time you want you want light to be in your house, and the time you want it to go off. Like for instance, you are the kind of person that leaves the house by 8 o'clock in the morning. Maybe you come back around 5 o'clock or maybe 6 o'clock. You can set the device in a way that once it's 30 minutes after 8 a.m. in the morning, it will turn off power from your building. Once it's 8:30 in the morning, power will go off from your building. Even if there is light, no nothing in that building will be on. Starting from the DB down to every damn device that is in the house, nothing will be on. Then once it's 5 o'clock or maybe 4:30 in the evening, the device will come up again and light will be in the building again. You can see how good that device will be. When you are not at home, maybe you don't remember that things, you don't remember to off. As long as you're not at home, once it's 8:30 in the morning, everything goes off. Then once it's 5 o'clock in the evening, everything turns on for you. And again, sometimes maybe we design it in a way that even if there is no light at that particular time, it needs to switch off the building. There is a backup battery in the system that once it's that time, even if there is no light, it will still turn off everything. Once the power is restored, it will maintain the state of the load even when there was no light, because it has a memory, it has a backup battery. Then maybe you are home on Sunday after church service, you'll be at home on Sunday. You can set it that every Sunday it will be on, it will not shut down. Or any day you want to be at home and there are things you need to do, you can still set it, it will be on for the whole of that day, because it have 4 timer interface. You can set one for Sunday and set the other 3 for the other day you want, and all of them will be working the way you want it. It equally have an interface that when we want to install it for you, if you have a fridge that maybe you want it to be on for some hours when you are not at home and it will still go off, it also have an interface for that. Maybe you have something in the fridge, you don't want it to spoil. Maybe the whole of that day, if there is light, the fridge will be on for something like, let's say, 2 hours for the day. It will turn off the device again. So it's a very good device for people that still have children, and also for people making use of prepaid meter. It will help you to conserve your energy. When you are not there, everything goes off. Once it's the time for you to once it's the time for it to start on again, it is to not on everything on. It will start up everything on, and the light will be in your house again. It's a device, we customize it, we make it in a way that it will be also affordable for anybody that need this kind of device. So the device I'm talking about is here. This is the device. You can look at it. It has a screen where it displays the time, whatever thing. It has a 4 button where you set in the time you want on your own. By ourselves, we may set it at this particular time, but by yourself, you may change it and set it to any time you want. This is the interface. If you open it, you can look at the inside. It is basically designed, you see it. This is the backup battery. Okay, if I should put on the power backup battery now, the device will be on. It's on. Look at it. The device is on. This is the time, and it equally has a real time clock that also keeps the time. That's what makes it accurate. It also have an internet time that makes it accurate. And maybe after some years that the battery have run down, you want to change it, you can still change the battery, but the battery lasts at least 5 years before it will have issue. So this is the device, time-based load control system. We design it, we have installed it for like 2 people within our locality. That's why I come online with it this evening to introduce it to my viewers out there, for them to still see what we have here and also call us to patronize us. It's very good, very, very good for people that are making use of prepaid meter and people that still have children. So this is the device. You can call us with the number on the screen. We will come and install it for you at affordable price. At affordable price. We design it by ourselves. We are installing it. There are so many other projects. There are so many other devices we have. Something like a smart sockets. Smart sockets in the sense that You can sit at your couch and with your phone, you can turn off everything at the television stand on the one button, just one particular button. You click on your phone, everything will turn off. You go inside the room and sleep. Maybe you're inside the room and the children are at the parlor watching film. Yeah, you ask them to go in, go and study, or maybe go and sleep. You are going to school tomorrow. You'll be disturbed. Instead of you to come out there to shut it down, just from your room, you shut everything down. The whole system will go off. We call that one smart sockets. We equally have generator trip off. That when NEPA brings light, it will trip off the gen for you. We equally have changeover. There are so many devices we have depending on the ones you want. But the one we introduce you today is time-based load control system for building. We design it in a way that it can carry duplex. The contactor relay that is inside this, it's 125 amps contactor. You can imagine the kind of load a 125 amps contactor can carry. It can be able to handle a complete duplex without any issue. Just contact us with the number on the screen and we will be at your service. This is Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. We are based on innovations, automations, and anything surveillance, electrical installation, software, conduit, anything electrical, electronics. Call Casino Digital Tech. We'll be at your doorstep to hear your complaint and take care of it. Thank you so much. Thank you also for viewing our page. Also subscribe to our YouTube page so that anytime we post our new post or we present our new product, you will see it first and equally help us to share it to other people, maybe your friends, people that may need it. You may not need it, but your friend may be in need of it. Still help us to share it so other people there will see it. Thank you so much and remain blessed. This is still Casino Digital Tech Engineering Services. Thank you so much.